Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the ing verbs. Okay, the verbs which are formed by adding ing to it. Verbs are in four forms actually. How many forms? There are four forms of verbs. For example, I give you one or two examples of verbs. Okay, for example, jump. Okay, jump is the word which is used in simple present tense. In past tense, what we use? J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped. Jump, jumped, jumped, and in last we are adding to it ing, so it will become what? Jumping. Understood? And the verbs which are formed by ing. Okay. The words which are formed by ing, they are verbs. And these are action words. I have told you many times, verbs are what? Action words. The words which tells action in the sentence is known as verb. And any word if you will get, now jump, walk, it is a verb. Okay. And when you want to use this word in continuous tense, correct or not? Continuous present tense, continuous past tense and continuous future tense. At that time you have to add to it ing. What you have to add? You have to add ing. Then after adding ing, what it will become? It will become walking. In same way, some examples are given in the book. What is given? Some examples are given in the book. Form new words by adding the following verbs. What question is asked? What question is told? Form new words by adding ing to the following verbs. Now examples are given. First one is buy, buy. First one. Buy, buy. Now you have to add ing to it. Then it will become what? Buy, ing, buying. Second one is run. Not run. Second one is call. You have to add ing, C-A-L-L-I-N-G, calling. Third word, make. Here you have to remove E. And what word it will become? M-A-K-I-N-G, making. Fourth one, bring. When you add ing to word bring, what it will become? B-R-I-N-G, bringing. Understood? Next word is study. S-T-U-D-Y, study. By adding ing, it will become studying. S-T-U-D-Y-I-N-G, studying. ing. Sixth example which is given in the book is run. Now here we have to take double N, okay? R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Eat. Eighth one is sleep. Ninth word is come. And last one is sit. So here now eat, eating, sleep, sleeping. Now here E, wherever E is there, now for make also E is there, that E you have to remove. If the words are ending with E, instead of E, you have to remove E and ing you have to put to it, okay? So C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. These two words are little different, okay? Double N we have to add here, double T we have to add here. Understood? In this way, we have added ing to the words which are given in the book. In this way, see, you can see book properly. Here mistakes are there, huh? It is written by students. I will correct those mistakes and send you photo on your WhatsApp group of 4th standard of this lesson, okay? Now complete the story with ing form of verbs. Once upon a time, a fox saw a bunch of grapes. Once upon a time, a fox saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a vine. He wanted to eat the grapes, so he started jumping and jumping. again and again, but he was not successful in getting the grapes. So while going, he said the grapes are sour. So hanging in first story, hanging, jumping, getting, and going. Okay. In second story, here it is told that it was summer, it was very hot, a crow was feeling very thirsty. What will come there? What will come over there? Feeling. Crow was feeling. Everywhere ing we have read, feeling very thirsty. He started look. Now for look ing we have to put, then it will become looking. For water here and there, but was not successful in finding. Find word is given, ing you have to put to it. Finding any water, he saw a pot of water outside a hut. There was a very little water inside. He started collecting. Collect चं काय करायचं, ing जोडायचं, then what it will become? Collecting. He started collecting stones from nearby and dropping them into the pot. What will come next word? Dropping. D-R-O-P-P-I-N-G. Dropping. Dropping them into the pot one by one. The level of water started rising. The level of water started rising. The crow flew away happily after drink. For word drink, what you have to do? You have to add ing, so it will become drinking. The crow flew away drinking, after drinking the water. Understood? In this way, two stories are there. I have given you answers of all. Blanks are there, blanks in between. I have given you answers of those blanks and this question. Keep in mind, this question is very much important. Okay? It is there in your paper pattern. Make new words by adding ing. Keep in mind, these words are very important. Okay? In this way, we have completed our lesson number 24. Now do one thing. I told you that I am going to teach you lesson number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now from that, our 23 is left and 26 is left. Okay? 22 I will send you tomorrow. 23 I will send you tomorrow. And 26th lesson I will send you on Saturday. Okay? In this way, our portion will get over. Understood? Don't mess up everything. Don't message me that why this lesson is not over, why that lesson is not over. Sejal Gorpade. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.